Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So happy Saturday. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. So I got a Reborn kit and I wanted to talk about me and my whole Reborn journey and everything. So this is the Samantha kit. I'm going to show you her little face. And she's kind of big, but she is adorable. She has, you can see her little tongue and little teeth. I don't know if you can see the little teeth in there, but this is her. Super cute. Oh my goodness, I love. So she's the Samantha kit. So cute. From Bountiful Baby. Happy Baby. I love Happy Babies. And this is her one little arm. Look how cute. They're almost all spread apart. Her little elbow. Here's her other little arm, if I can get it out. Super cute, and see how the fingers are. So you guys, if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I did start reborning, and then all of a sudden you didn't hear anything about me reborning anymore. And I'm going to explain to you why as soon as I'm done showing you this little baby's feet. Look at the little limbs. Oh, it's so cute. The little fat rolls that are in here. Like, it's just so cute. So this is the one leg, and here's the other little leggy. So cute. Lots of little fat rolls. I love it. So I'm going to talk to you guys about why I stopped. So I was working on a kit, and it's been a while. Hold on, let me put this back, and then we can talk. Because I don't want to lose the limbs. They have to stick together with the okay, that's it. Anyway. So I started reborning, and I was using air dry paints, acrylic paints, just cheap acrylic paints, because you can use that. Anyway, I cannot use Genesis paints because my son has asthma, so I have to do the air dry. But what I'm finding with the air dry paints is that some of the air dry paints are not sticking to the vinyl. No matter what I do, it just does not stick. I started out using Share Air, and you know, I prepped the vinyl, I did everything I was supposed to, and the paint just was not sticking. And I don't understand, like the flesh tones were not sticking. Also, then I went from them, then I did the acrylic paints, which you can get from like Walmart and things like that. So that was sticking a little bit better. But then it was like clumping up. It was like a whole issue with that, and I know like some of you Reborn artists, they're like, what? But anyway, so I'm trying to find an alternative for the air dry paints somewhere. I think McPherson has some, so I'm gonna look on McPherson's website, and maybe I can get a couple and start reborning again, because I really enjoy reborning. I want to get into trying to root hair as well, but that's a whole nother thing. But I'm gonna try to get back onto this journey with reborning. And then I've been looking up Blythe dolls, because I've been fascinated with that lately, and seeing the process of how people make a custom Blythe. And I was like, I think I could do this as well. So I might in the future, or near future, coming up very soon maybe, I might customize my own Blythe doll, because I've seen some people do it and it looks fairly easy. It doesn't look too complicated, so I think that I might be able to accomplish that. So I might go down that route. I love crafting. I'm not artistic at all. I don't have no I can't even say, but I don't have no artsy in my genes. My sister does. My sister can draw. She's amazing. But me, no, I cannot draw. But I want to go down that route of painting the Reborns, getting back into that, and also maybe a Blythe doll in the future. I'm so excited. This is where I want to do more research on the Blythe dolls, because I do really like them. I really, really like the ones with the teeth, but they are super expensive. Even on AliExpress, I think they're like $30. I mean, $30 is not a lot, but it's a lot. You know what I mean? At least for me right now. For someone who doesn't really have the extra money, it can be a lot. But I think they have a big sale coming up, so I'm going to check it out. Maybe they'll be on sale. Maybe I can get one with teeth. And I do want one with freckles because I think they're super cute as well. What was I going to say? Yeah, so that is all for today's video. Short, sweet, little bit of chat. I love you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.